At the SMSD Education Foundation Scholarship Awards, President Angela LaCour told us this.
We have a bowl-a-thon which is coming up May the 24th of this year, and we hope everyone could come and get a team and bowl, and it is a fun fundraiser.
So let's check out this fun fundraiser. It's been years since I've gone to a bowling alley, and I don't really remember them being this blue.
Today is the day. We're going to have the SMSD Education Foundation bowling tournament. This is an exciting and fun part of being on the foundation. This is just one of a couple of ways that we raise funds for scholarships for teachers and students. So it's that time of year again, and I'm sure and I expect that everybody's going to have a great time and at the same time supporting a good cause.
I don't have any team. I came here to support, and this is a good reason and good cause that we have to support the Education Foundation. Let us benefit our children, our students, and it is good for us.
And don't forget the fun.
Well, we're back again. This is May 2024, Memorial Day weekend. We're back here. We're here to defend our championship. We were last year's champion. We're back. We're here to defend. We're coming out in strong force. I'm having to pivot the last minute. I had some last minute call outs, but it's okay. Our team is the Trailblazers, sponsored by the foundation. We're looking to do some good things. Don't be surprised if we come out as repeat champions. And that's okay because we're gonna raise up the level.
For Great American Pastimes, this is Randall Williams.